Hello there, wonderful viewers. Today, I will show you how to know who viewed my Instagram profile. First of all, open your Instagram. Then tap on the story icon in the upper left corner and add a story. It will take a few seconds to upload. Tap on your story icon in the lower left corner. You will see another user's profile icon. This indicates that someone has viewed your Instagram story. If you don't see the icon in the lower left, it means that no one has viewed your story. Tap on the icon to view all of the users who have viewed your content. Now that you know how to see who viewed your story, now let us see how to know who viewed my Instagram profile. Instagram has not included such feature through which you can watch or know who has visited or viewed your Instagram profile. If you go to the App Store and search for who is visiting my Instagram profile or who viewed my Instagram profile, you will find that there are so many free apps available on the App Store that claim that they can tell who's looking at your Instagram profile. But most of these apps are fake. These apps randomly select some of your Instagram followers, or to whom you followed, and show you those in a list of users who viewed your Instagram profile. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.